Hey, today I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Panasonic TV. It's super easy. If you can use a remote, you can do this. First rule, your TV needs internet. No internet is no apps. So make sure your Panasonic TV is connected to Wi-Fi before we start. Now grab your remote. Look for the apps button. Press it. If you don't see it, go to the home screen and move left or right until you find apps. It might look a little different depending on your TV model. That's normal. Click it. Now you'll see something called the Apps Market. That's basically your TV's mini app store. Go inside. You'll see different sections like music, sports, games. Pick a category. Let's say we choose music. Move to the right using your arrow buttons and pick the app you want. Once you open the app, you'll see a button that says Free. That's your download button. Press it, then press OK. Now your TV is downloading and installing the app. Just wait a few seconds. Let it do its thing. When it's done, press the Apps button again. Scroll down, and you'll see your new app sitting there, ready to use. Now here's the important part. Panasonic TVs don't use Android like some other TVs, so you can't directly install random Android apps or APK files on it. But there's a smart trick. You can use an Android TV stick or Android TV box. For example, the Mi TV stick. It's a small device that plugs into your TV's HDMI port. Once you connect it, your TV basically becomes an Android TV. That means you get Google Play Store. You can download Android apps. You can install more streaming apps. You unlock way more features. So if you want more apps than your Panasonic TV normally allows, an Android TV stick is the way to go.